Hi, I'm Roger with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. We got a beautiful winter day here. Sun's out. Let's take a look at this 2015 27-foot Coachmen Pursuit. This is on the Ford chassis. This is a 362 horse, 5-speed engine. Okay, let's take a look on the outside. Let's go this way. I travel with a couple of dogs, so I love these little doggy windows. We've got our side cameras. Got our slide out here. We've got some storage underneath. Oh, I didn't unlock that one. My apologies. Here's our propane tank. Nice pass-through storage all the way through and out the other side. Oop, that one's also going to be locked. We've got our 5,000-pound tow hitch here with wiring. Love the rear fuel fill. You don't have to pick a lane. You can go to whichever lane's open. Makes it a little easier. There's the other side of that pass-through storage. This is our dump station. Our 5.5 Onan generator. #1 generator in the market. Love that generator. Very efficient. Let's go inside and take a look at the inside. Up here in our cockpit, we've got all the things that we really want to have. We've got the automatic hydraulic leveling, our generator start. It's got the boost system, so if your house batteries are good but your chassis battery gets run down, you can use the boost to start the engine and get back on your way. Backup camera, side camera monitor. We've got our L-shaped sofa. The table pokes in here in the floor for your eating pleasure in the evening. TV straight across from the sofa. Up front here, we've got a drop-down, full-size bed. It acts like a Class C, but it's a Class A. Here's our monitor panel for the slides and the generator and water heater and all the stuff we want to run. Love the kitchen in this. We've got a decent amount of cooking space, especially in a 27-foot coach. Very adequate storage above and below. Again, for a short coach, it's a good sized bathroom. They really utilize the space very well. It's a big shower. Eight cubic foot automatic refrigerator, runs on either propane or electricity. Pull up pantry. Coat storage. Sometimes it does rain in the winter in Oregon. King size bed with a little nightstand on the rear side and a big nightstand on the forward side. You also have a sliding double door here for privacy in the bedroom, with a steel pin to hold it in place. Lots of hanging storage here. Shelf storage down here. Again, our bedroom TV. You got to be able to watch the news, right? While you're on vacation. Nice big deep storage here. There's the table. Also the little table for up forward by the cab chairs. The ladder for the bed. Great amount of storage. Plugs on both sides of the bed. So if you have a CPAC or something, you can plug that in. With a generator, you're going to be able to utilize those all night long. And my name's Roger with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City. Thank you.